The summer heat has turned us away from most comfort foods, but today we've got a way to bring a little extra comfort to your favorite salad. Howard shows us how to make a chilled, beefed up summer salad in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
When it comes to cooking during the summer, we usually stay away from the slow cook comfort foods and lean towards the lighter fare. And if this July is going to be anything like last year's, which happens to be the hottest month ever on record, then the beefed up summer salad we're making today is just what we're looking for. We start by cutting a head of iceberg lettuce and placing it on a platter. On top of that, we arrange some cucumbers and tomatoes that we've chunked up. Now, for the part that turns this from just a salad into a main dish, we pile on some cooked roast beef. And that can be chunked up from a leftover roast or from the deli. And since a salad is only as good as the dressing that goes on it, we threw together a creamy horseradish dressing that really complements the beef. Then we threw on some onions, and it's done. It may seem simple, but the simplest things in life are often the best. And when you serve this chilled, laced with a tangy dressing, don't be surprised if this becomes a year-round favorite. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our chilled beefed up summer salad, 'cause it's that good. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cool and refreshing way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website